All right, traders, let's do a very quick recap on this particular trade we took in the Telegram community this morning. I'm going to show you every process that went into taking this particular trade. There is nothing difficult about this, guys. I'm going to show you in detail. So early in the morning when I woke up, I saw this particular price movement on Euro USD. As usual, I saw that price was here, exactly at this point. And then prior to taking that trade, I was looking at this area, which I normally call a landmine, where price has normal difficulty in breaking. And I even posted it in the Telegram community right here. I posted this. This was the analysis I did on gold and Euro USD. I actually shared two analyses right here. I said difficult area to breach at exactly around 7 a.m. in the morning, that is Nigerian time, and that is the same time with London time. So that was what I posted in the group. I said, I'm seeing gold being bullish from here, but the risk is too high. If the chance comes, we'll refine our risk. Then I also posted the one for Euro USD. Euro USD facing difficult resistance. It's risky to take a buy there, so we wait for comeback into this particular favor lookup. Where was the favor lookup? This particular favor lookup I shared right here. And for those of you that have been following my videos, this will be one of the simplest analysis you do. Always keep your analysis simple. I just posted that and then I marked this particular favor lookup. Let me show you. But aside from that, there is something I've seen that is more than just the normal analysis I did. And you need to watch this video to get that in detail. And this is the same reason I'm making this video, for educational purposes. So this was what I saw, this particular favor lookup. I was expecting price to retrace into this particular favor lookup. And then I will be good to go to take the trade to the upside. Now, quite a number of people are still thinking that Euro USD is still bearish, but this is what I've seen. I went to DXY, all right, DXY. Coupled with the fact that today is Friday. Today is Friday, and every time price moves in a certain direction throughout the week, Thursday, Friday, you expect a change in that direction. So in DXY, right here on the daily time frame, I saw price traded into a very, very powerful institutional reference point. Let me show you where the price traded into. Let me quickly show you where price traded into. So this was DXY. It traded into this volume imbalance, a very powerful institutional reference point, which I was noticing. I said, well, if price traded throughout the week into this volume imbalance, that means we are expecting a retracement coming into it. And if you've watched my video on the recap I did about the Thank God It's Friday strategy by ICT TGIF, if you want to watch the video, this is the link. You can see it displayed. You can click on it and watch the video. So basically what the TGIF does is that you go to the weekly time frame and see where price have printed to. If the price is bullish, this is it. If price is bullish throughout this week, we expect at least a 20% retracement of that particular movement on Friday. That's simply what TGIF is. And look at this. If you put your fib level from here to here, this is like 20% of this fib level. Let me even adjust it. Right here, if I clean this one and put it as 0.2, the 20% level, you're going to see it. Can you see where the 20% is? So if price printed like this, it's going to retrace back into this area, 20% of that. That was what I saw. And this is DXY. Whenever DXY is going to be bearish, foreign currencies are going to be bullish. That was the only reason why I was bullish on Euro USD, and coupled with the fact that it is Friday. All right, guys, there is no magic in these things. These things are straightforward, simple, and easy if you just want to follow every single procedure in your analysis. So that was the basis. So let me go back to the 1 hour time frame and show you what happened. And this is what is happening in the 1 hour time frame. Without any hesitation, I posted that. I said, guys, I am waiting for this retracement. And normally, if you've been watching my videos, you will know how I take my trade. I don't just take the trade because it is a fair value gap. I want to see the momentum of the retracement. I want to see how the rhythm is printing. I want to see how price action is behaving around that particular institutional reference point. I even said it in the group. So this was what was happening. I dropped down to the 5 minute to see the retracement coming in, so I can see a simple shift in market structure that I can use as my yardstick for entry. So this was the entire retracement. And even if you want to trade this retracement as a counter trader, you can do that. It's pretty much easy to do that. Some people did that, and you can see that in Telegram community. Let's see. Some people actually took the trade. Quite a lot of posts right here that you cannot find that. So a lot of people made money from that trade analysis. So this was what I saw. I saw price coming down into this area, and I was simply monitoring every lower high that price was printing. A lower high here, a lower high here, a lower high here. But the only reason why I wasn't paying much attention to the lower highs here is because if you check these lower highs, they're actually in premium, and I wanted to go bullish. That means I'm going to focus on the lower highs that are on discount level, that are in the discount area. That is the most relevant area for me to look at. So I was here. I actually went out and came back, and then I saw price created this lower high, and I was interested in it. I even posted it in the group right there, because I actually saw some people saying that they got stopped out. Those people that don't watch the lessons I usually post, because if you're watching the lessons, you know that I don't just take trades because trade touches the fair value gap. I want to see some kind of momentum shift and then return into an institutional reference point before I take the trade. And then this was what I said. I actually said, all right, guys, I just came back to check prices at our point of interest. I want to see market structure shift in this 5 minute time frame, and I will be good to go, even though today is Friday. So this was what I posted. This lower high, I wanted to see price take it out, and then I go bullish. Simple as that. And then I saw other people posting in the group that they have been stopped out. I said, please, I didn't give anyone go ahead to take the trade yet, because it has not yet fully given me the exact market structure shift I want to see in the lower time frame. If you have been following my lessons, you will know that I don't just take trades like that. Okay, so I was monitoring this. I saw price left this lower high and created this one, came here, passed the fair value gap, and this is what you're going to experience time and again in the market. You're going to experience this time and again. Remember, we are trying to get into this 1 hour fair value gap and then see a shift in structure. And then all of a sudden this happened right here. I saw this, a shift in structure. I wasn't even close to my chart then when it happened. I just used my mobile phone to do some few analysis. And then I said, is anyone in the trade, guys? Sorry, I didn't update you guys. You can take the trade. I was already in. That was when price came back to this particular fair value gap. I was watching this fair value gap. I said, if price wants to go bullish, come back to this fair value gap, and then I will take the trade. Very easy as this. And then price actually gave me what I wanted. It came right into the fair value gap, and then I took the trade from here. And that was the story of everything that happened with this 40 pips trade. Very easy and straightforward. There is no difficulty in analyzing the market. And then, of course, trade actually gave everyone what they wanted. Very perfect trade like that. And you can see a lot of people have made a lot of money in the group. A lot of trade, you can see people have made money. Almost everybody that followed that analysis made money with that trade. So guys, this is all about this video. If you want to be seeing this, and if you want to learn more about the way I trade, the easiest way to do that is to hit the subscribe button, turn the bell notification, and this is just a trade recap. On my channel, I make detailed explanation of everything I'm doing. I don't just teach it, I do it myself, and then they work. Okay, you can go ahead and check it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. You can consider giving this video a like. Let's get more people to get this so they can have these valuable lessons. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.